Hey guys, it's me, Damien, and today I got the hip slot. Today we are going to be playing. Hold on. Okay, I was about to say Animal Company, the new mining update. We're going to be mining. You can only get the hip slot for 5 gems. Yes, I wasted 5 gems for a hip slot. It was totally worth it because I just wanted to grab my grappler. Now I can put a big light. I think I think we're gonna be trying to work for the hover pad. I always call it the hoverboard. Now I could get the golden pickaxe, but no. We're just gonna be grinding the mines and like. But first, I'm going to show you something gorgeous. I think. We're not even done. We're not even done, by the way. There's still more. Oh, never mind. Okay, we're gonna be selling this because my backpack is full. See? Alright. Oh, that's really good. Not for much people. Anyway, I'm going to make another video of a game. It's called War. War of Wizards, alright? Hopefully. Or maybe I'm just gonna spend it on research points and Animal Colony. I don't know. Mamma mia. Hold on. Hold on. Yes, obviously you can put it. Yeah, but it's not gonna do anything. So, hips. The chicken. Why is the chicken always scream? It's because of that screen problem. Yes, you can tell. Yes, you've seen the new video I made about battle talent. Is that a big crate? Oh no. I am so gonna run away. Okay. Oh, it's just longsword. It's because two times, I opened a big crate from that, and there is a bomb. It's a bomb! I can tell why. And by the way, I heard a friend that say, yeah, I think they should like when you open a crate, sometimes there'll be a bomb. Oh, it's just a... Wait, can we do the glitch? Moment of truth. Why the developers? They really should add it. They should add that. Oh look. Hold on. Put that aside. Let's go. Our first opponent. Red light, green light. Mr. Red light, green light. Oh no. Go cry about it, little kid. Run, 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 run. Run as fast as you can. Just run, just run, just run, just run. Did he explode? Yo? Tunalasso? Oh, he went crazy. Mini heart attack. Mother just had a heart attack for night. She was exploding. Let's see, we're gonna get any research points? No research points. Research points? No research points. Yeah, let's just get caught. Low taper fade is massive, but you know what else is massive? The world. Oh my god. A Mamma Mia, bruh. That was a real Mamma Mia. We are probably not going to second tunnel. I don't want to risk my stuff. But you know what? No. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it for you guys. I won't let you down. I am risking all my stuff for you guys to enjoy my videos. I am cooked. You know what? No, I am absolutely fried. Or what if... Please. Low taper. Sorry for the low taper fade. Well, lots of people like low taper fade. Is it true that low taper fade is fading away, or is it just like people, or is it just random people say that? I am meme is massive, but I say not massive. Get up! What if I go more here? Yeah, I think it's just. I think I'm doing it for you guys. Or should I do it? No. Oh no, I see monkey. I see mimic. I see mimic. I see mimic. Oh my god, when I'm alone, I literally jump scare myself to death. Why? Just why? Just why? Come here, come here, come here. Frick. No, why? Why do these bombs have to disappear? Then come right here, mimic. Mimic right here, right here, right here, right here. Pinche bueno, mira. Sorry. Dude, I am way too scared. Why don't you turn on my light? Yeah, why? Because the light attracts him. Or her. The weird lady. If you look at him, or him, her, rip. It's like, real life. It's just like real life, basically. So, let's just say I'm not gonna do that. Sorry, guys. Go Yell at me all you want. I'm not. I will not risk that. Maybe I will if. Load saber. The meme is not massive. The meme is massive. I will. Wait, no. Sorry guys, I'm not risking it. In some future video, I will risk it. So you're just gonna watch me go all the way back, alright? I don't care what you say. The meme is not massive. Sorry guys, I failed you. Plus I'm way too scared anyway. I think we're just going to third. Hold on. Do I have my umbrella? Do I even have my umbrella? No, I don't. Okay. Or I can just go up like a smart kid. Please. Oh no. Alright, so this is probably gonna be a quick video. Well, imagine there's a secret tunnel in the thumbnail. If I can even make a thumbnail, it's gonna say, "Oh my God, fourth secret tunnel. Oh my God, secret tunnel. IRL, totally not fake. Oh my God." Yeah. I don't want to be. What was that? The meme is not massive. Yes, it is. It's because a bunch of kids or people from my class say the meme is massive, and I say the meme is not massive. They're probably gonna scream at me and say, "Get him!" Why would I buy a grappler if I already have one? I'm gonna give it away in one of my videos. Deal with it. And you guys could be if you join the code IDKLOL. I know, disappointed, but hey, I'm not just gonna put all my brain into it. Like, I have small brain cells, okay? So don't expect me to act like who was it again? Albert Einstein. I think that's his name. And make a code like, oh. So yeah, if you join this code, one of you guys could get a free grappler. I promise. Like seriously, I literally promise to not lie. Okay, since now since we're now finished doing sewers, we got no gems. Not that many gems because I'm literally just skedaddled out of there. So we're probably gonna do mines, kill a spider, probably ask some people for a golden pickaxe because that's really good. But no, I am going to work for getting. Okay, I am now scared, so I am not gonna go there. No, for the view, for you guys. I really said for the views. Ven para acá, pichi. Mentira de. Sorry. Fight me. Fight me, if you even can. I'm scared, guys. All right. It's really realistic. Okay. I'm gonna get something. Actually, I'm gonna get something, so laugh at me if you. I don't care. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show this Kobe. I'm gonna show him who I really am. I know somebody's gonna say, stop using grapplers so many times. But hey, I'm trying to be quick here. Okay. Mini, mo, which one I'm going to pick. So when I do mini, mo, when I, how do you say it? When I'm pointing at the weapon that I said at the last word, I flip it. Not because it's better. I mean, I go to the. How do I say this without making it strange and not understanding? Una, dos, tres. Ven para acá. Yo. Oh, please. I'm trying, guys, okay? I'm a bit scared in these games. I know who I'm gonna beat. No grappler. Bye, Mr. Grappler. I got lots of stuff, alright? I'm not using a long sword. I feel the power. I'm acting like a strict parent when their son gets a B. Who am I gonna hit? You're gonna see. I'm tired of this guy thinking that he can beat anyone. No, I'm tired. He really thinks he could defeat everyone. Nah, not me. Why do I sound like I'm going on my revenge arc right now? I'm tired of this guy thinking that he can destroy anyone easily. You know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, you know what? No. You know what? Where's Mr. Chicken? Yeah, that's how angry I am at these guys. At these monsters. Where's Mr. Chicken over here? Not you, chickens. Not you. Don't worry. I'm not gonna kill you. Or maybe. No. Oh no, that's Haunted Mansion. You really think you can defeat me? So if I die, I'm gonna probably oh my god. I'm tired of you thinking that you could beat us. But not, except for the ones that hold rocket launchers all the time. You. Damn, that easy? Okay, now let's get out of here. No, my pen. I really showed him what's up. I really showed him what's up. Just in case of Ogre is here. I think I should run. No, I still got some health in me, but boy, I am not. Wait, what? Boom. I killed the ogre 2 times and the chicken 1 time. Or the goose, I don't know. If it's even a goose. What the? Oh yeah, this is what happens when the map doesn't load. Don't tell the developer about this. Oh no, 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 no. Go back to normal, yeah. Oh my god. That place is... Sorry. That place is gone. Why did the developer had to take away the jukebox? Is it because of the pogo sticks? Oh man. What pogo sticks? I don't know what you're talking about. Seriously, I don't know. Get him! Okay, I need to be quiet. I'm selling the goose egg. Can I hatch it? No, you can't. You can just sell it. I'm so dumb. Whee! They really had to take away jukebox. But I really think goose egg. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not gonna be giving away this item to a person. I'm gonna give away this item to a person. Random giveaway from me. The item, the special item, is gonna be a longsword. But you guys are gonna say, oh, what about the grappler? I'm giving it away from my, how do you say it? My code. I'm giving this away from a random code because I'm like to be nice. To prove it is I'm gonna try to find code. Who wants this free long sword? From the game. Who wants this free long sword?
Alright, I'm gonna try to find it.
Free long sword. Who wants it?
I'm just gonna try to find it. I don't care.
Free long sword. Who wants it? Who wants this free long sword? Who wants a free long sword?
Hey, why you take my stuff?
Who wants this free long sword? You want this free long sword?
The doors is
Light blue. Light blue. You want this? Okay.
sounds like
Elf, you want this long sword? Yo, you want this free long sword?
I want it.
Huh? Who wants it?
Hey, I'll take it off.
Huh?
I'll take it off your hands if you play hide and seek with me.
I'm good. Okay.
Dude's cool.
First code, no one. Maybe the other code. Who wants this free long sword?
Right there.
Who wants this free long sword? Whoa.
Well, do you want a grappler?
Yeah.
oh guys,
Yes,
wait.
I gotta go get. I'm joking. Me, bro.
Oh. Do you want it? Do you want it for free though?
Yeah, me.
Okay.
I'm
1, 2, 3.
Bro, I grabbed it. How does he have it? Let's say it to be.
Blue, do you have a
I grabbed
grappler?
it.
Who was the person that said they wanted a
I'll
grappler?
trade you.
Bro, I have
Cap
3
grappler?
of them, bro.
Cap grappler?
I got 3 of them in my bag. I have 3 of them in my bag, bro. I have like 6 of them in my bag, not gonna lie.
Can
What,
you
grapplers?
give me it? Can you give me it?
What? Yeah, he can have.
Wait, cap 2. One more cap 2?
No,
No,
we already have
no.
one.
I want another one.
Why
Dude.
would you want two? It's no.
So it's
I'll
even
trade you.
better.
Here, I'll trade you. Or, well, I don't really got anything. I mean, I'll give you a backpack, but I can show you what I have in here, but I don't want it to get stolen.
That bag for this.
What?
With the
No, bro, you don't have anything in there.
I have a
Yeah, ain't
grappler in
nobody.
it. What happened to my grappler?
You have
There's
nothing.
nothing in there.
There was a grappler in this.
Yes, he stole it. Did you not just see him? That dude.
No, I didn't. I only have one grappler.
No, he said the one that said I want.
Hey, you. Weren't you the one that said they wanted you a grappler?
Yeah.
No, I wanted the grappler.
What's this free backpack with nothing?
Me? Okay.
But well,
No
at
way.
least I
No way.
at least I gave away
God,
the
can I
long
have it? Can I have
sword.
one? Can I have one? I don't need. Can I have one?
I can just give you the whole backpack.
Sad news. Oh no, good news. At least I gave away the free longsword. Why am I sad? Let's see, what do I even have anyway? Yeah. Shock. Can't even. The heck? Can't even put this on. Wait, what's. Getting blind. Ah! Hold on. Because it's too big? Give this away too. In my next video. Because we're probably wasting time already. Ah, there we go. Shotgun ammo. I don't have a shotgun, but. Ah! I think I'll keep this for something. Like give it away to one of my friends or something. Just give it to one of my friends. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my video that I made. Oh yeah, long story short, I'm gonna have to make a new part 1 of Battle Talent because I'm not supposed to tell you, but maybe next video if you guys comment. I really prefer comments than subscribers. I don't know why. I just like commenting to people. I don't know why. But just my thing. Every YouTuber is different. Well, you can already know. Not because they're girl or boy, or probably because different content they make. They can make VR content or not. Okay, I need to stop talking about stuff. Now, I'm going to see you next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hold on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't ask why I'm holding a dynamite. It's okay. We will see you next video. Oh no. Yeah, I really wasted in my dynamite